everyone! I'm so glad you're here today. We're going to dive into something that's really personal to me: how to thrive in sales as an introvert. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Aren't salespeople supposed to be super outgoing and always in the spotlight? I totally get it. That's a really common thought. The truth is, being an introvert doesn't mean you're shy or can't excel in sales. It just means you get your energy from quieter moments and prefer deeper, more focused conversations. And actually, that can be a huge asset in sales. Think about it. As introverts, we're naturally great listeners, we're thoughtful, and we're good at building meaningful connections. Imagine how powerful it is to truly understand what your clients need and to create genuine relationships built on trust. That's what makes introverts stand out in the sales world. Perfect. So I'm going to share some tips that can help you not just survive, but really thrive in sales as an introvert. Ready to get started? Let's go.